guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am Mitzel for those of you who do not know, and welcome. So today's video I'm gonna do a more chill video. We're gonna keep it really simple. I'm gonna do a glowy skin makeup. I'm gonna focus more on the skin instead of the eyes or eyeliner. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That would help me out a lot, and let's get started. Okay, so I already did my skincare. For these types of looks, it's very important to have a very hydrated face, especially if you have dry skin like I do. I really have to hydrate my skin to get that really glowy look. I already have a skincare routine here on my YouTube channel. I'll just leave it up here in the iCards so you guys can check it out. But I already did my skincare, so that's done. I want to give an extra dewy look to my skin, so I'm gonna go in with a glowy primer, and I'm actually gonna use the Glossier. This is the Glossier Futuredew Oil Serum Hybrid Primer. It's a serum, but I like to use it as a primer because it really gives a beautiful glow to the skin. So I'm gonna take like a pump and a half of this and apply it all over my face. I have dry skin, so I can't even go with 2 pumps, but if you have more of an oily skin, I would just go with a pump of this product. Now I just want to give an extra glow, so I'm gonna go in with the Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filt'r and the shade 2.5 Fair. Just gonna apply it to the high points of my face. And this is just gonna give a little bit of glow, even here, just to really get that glowy skin going. And blend that out with a beauty blender. Now we're looking glowy. I can even just leave it like this, but I do have some imperfections in my face. I'm looking at those dark circles. Okay, so for my foundation, I'm gonna use the Milk Makeup Sunshine Skin Tint. I use the shade Light. This is with the new formula. Apply a bit of this to my face. And I'm just gonna blend it in with a brush. Out of all my skin tints, I think this one gives the most glowy finish to the skin, because the ones I've bought lately have been more, I don't want to say matte, but they don't leave like a glowy finish like this one. And this is what I like about this one, because it looks more natural, more like summer. The other ones just feel like skin, and this one just adds just a bit of glow to the skin, and I really enjoy that. Just gonna blend it out a bit with my beauty blender. It doesn't give a lot of coverage to my skin. It's just gonna help with all that redness I have, or any little pimple I have. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in with the BECCA Under Eye Brightening Corrector in light to medium, because it looks like I haven't been sleeping lately, and I don't know why, but I have. These dark circles are not it. I mean, it's been trending lately on TikTok, so oh my God, I think this eye is the worst one. I don't know why. Like, what's wrong with me? I want to try the new Fenty Beauty Brightening. I don't know if they're concealers. I don't know what they are. They look pretty nice. Once I go to Sephora, I might pick up one and see how it is. For concealer, I'm going to use the KOSAS. I think this is the Revealer Concealer. I'm just going to apply a bit of this to my under eye, here on the bridge of my nose, a bit of my chin, because why not? Get it out with my beauty blender. Alright, so I do gotta set my under eyes because they do tend to crease a lot when I don't set them. So I'm gonna take my favorite powder that I think doesn't look cakey underneath my eyes. I'm gonna take the Glossier Powder, applying it with this, I was gonna say Morphe, this ColourPop F33 brush. Just take a bit of that powder and just, oh my God, it already started creasing, and just set underneath the eyes, very lightly. Just the under eyes, or maybe even take a little bit of the excess left just here, so I don't have that glowy unibrow look. Okay, so I want to keep the glowy skin going, so I'm only gonna be applying cream products. So for my bronzer, I use the Fenty Beauty Cheeks Out Cream Bronzer in the shade 03 Macchiato. I'm gonna apply it with this e.l.f. pointed powder brush. Just take some of that in the brush and start bronzing. Alright, now for my highlighter, I'm going to use this MAC Cream Color Base in the shade Pearl. And I'm just going to apply it with my fingers, just because it's easier for me. And the product is just with my warmth of my body. It's just going to melt into the skin. So lightly, because I don't want to look like super highlighty. Highlighty? You know what I mean? Like, I want like a natural glow, like glow from within, not like highlighting mess. What am I even saying? And then on the tip of my nose, just a bit, bridge. Look at that. I can't even go in with my beauty blender just to really get it in there. Now for blush, I'm actually gonna use this. This is a Tower 28 BeachPlease in the shade Power Hour. I'm a bit nervous because I've only tried it once. Should I apply first with my, oh, I don't know. Should I apply with a brush? Let me take a small brush. Okay, I'm gonna apply it with the ColourPop F31 brush. Just a bit. Gonna take some of that in the back of my hand and start applying. Be very careful because this blush is very pigmented. And as always, I concentrated more on the outer parts of my face just to lift my face because I have a very square, round face. Get the beauty blender, just blending it out. Take a little bit of this over my nose just to give it like a sun-kissed look, but not really. Okay, before I start my eyebrows and eyes, I'm actually gonna take a setting mist. This is the e.l.f. Dewy Coconut Setting Mist. I'm gonna set the face, but this product is actually gonna give more glow to the skin. You'll see in a second. Like, look at my face right now. Smells like coconut. Just gonna fan it off. I never used this. And it just added a little bit of more glow to the skin. It's very, very pretty. Ooh. Let's still keep this makeup very natural. So for eyebrows, I'm just gonna go in with the KOSAS Airbrow Tinted Eyebrow Gel. Just gonna apply it to my eyebrows. I want more of a natural look. I don't wanna make them look like super perfect, but this eyebrow gel just gives enough color to the eyebrows. I've been loving it lately, but it's not as fast as my eyebrow gel, the Boy Brow by Glossier. This one takes a little bit more time. Alright, one eyebrow done. I'm gonna do the other one off camera and be right back. Alright, so eyebrows are done. I also primed my eyes. I use the Fenty Beauty Pro Amplifying Eye Primer. And now for my eyes, I want to do something quick and easy just because I'm feeling lazy. So I'm gonna take the blush I used and just take some in my finger and apply it to my whole eyelid. I've never used this blush in my eyes, but I see that they actually advertise it, that you can use it on your cheeks, on your eyes and lips, so why not? Oh, that's nice. That, oh, wow. Okay, I like that, I like that. Maybe I'll take a little bit more on the outer corner. I'm also gonna take a brush and apply it to my lower lash line. Now I just want to add something to my eyes, not keep them like this. So I'm actually going to take this Fenty Beauty, it's the Snap Shadows. You've seen this before here. I'm going to take the shade, I think it's Velvet Cuffs. This beautiful, beautiful shade. Just going to take it with my finger and just apply it to my lid. Oh yes. that's it. Alright, so now I'm gonna do lashes off camera. I'm just gonna use the Ilia Limitless Lash Mascara and I'll be right back. Right, back from lashes. I also end up doing a little wing. I just used the same palette, the brown shade. But you've seen me try do wings, so. Now for lips, I still want to keep this monochromatic look. So I have this Dior Lip Glow. It's in the shade Mahogany. And it's very similar to the Tower 28 blush, as you can see. So I'm just gonna apply this. No lip liner, no nothing. Look at that. Ooh. Now I'm actually gonna take this KOSAS, what do you call it? Cloud Set powder. I'm just gonna lightly set areas that the setting spray was too intense, like underneath my eyes and right besides the nose. I don't want to look like super glowy there. It kind of looks like I'm oily, but it's not. It's just the setting spray. And underneath the eyes, just to smooth out this weird glowy unibrow. I think that's it, because I don't mind this looking glowy. Just this part, I don't want to look like super glowy. And we are done. Okay, so this is the final look. It's super easy, super quick to do every single day, or if you just want to look extra glowy. But yeah, if you guys liked this video, if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and also comment down below what other types of videos you would like to see. That would help me out a lot. You could also subscribe to my channel. That would help me out a lot, and also click the bell so you get notified when I upload a new video. You could also follow me on my social medias, which I leave on this side. Yes, I think it's this side. And also in the description box below, every product I mentioned, it's gonna be linked in the description box below. And yeah, I hope you're having an amazing day. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!